Video, I am at the new Wayfair store grand opening right here in Wilmette, Illinois. It's just about 30 minutes from downtown Chicago. I'm just entering the store right now. I'll say a couple quick words before I hop in the store. This is Wayfair's first ever large format retail store. They've done some small experiments, small format stores over the years, but this is the first, this is the official, this is the grand, this is the real deal. This store is 2 floors, 150,000 square feet. And this really piggybacks on Wayfair's vision of creating the best possible home furnishing shopping experience. Over my last 10 years working with Wayfair, they have blended technology, science, retail science, analytics, data science, and built amazing experiences for customers online. And we've been just a really tiny breadcrumb of that supporting that journey, but this is really a testament to Wayfair's vision on really taking this really traditionally hard category of furnishings home and making it accessible, making it efficient, making it a great customer experience. Wayfair has fulfillment centers in just about every major metro in the US. Actually, not just about, in every major metro in the US. And what they do really well is that they have their own trucks, their own warehouse, their own fulfillment network. And Niraj and the team at Wayfair